Did you know that Burkina Faso, a country in West Africa, has a rich and fascinating history? Here are 5 validated points about Burkina Faso that you may find interesting. Firstly, Burkina Faso was formerly known as Upper Volta until it changed its name in 1984. This change was made to reflect the country's commitment to its people and their aspirations for a better future. Secondly, Burkina Faso is a landlocked country surrounded by 6 other countries. This geographic location has both its advantages and challenges, shaping the country's unique character. Thirdly, Burkina Faso is a melting pot of cultures and traditions. With over 60 different ethnic groups, the country boasts remarkable ethnic diversity. The largest ethnic group, the Mossi, contributes to the vibrant tapestry of Burkina Faso society. In addition to its cultural heritage, Burkina Faso is known for its economic contributions. It is a significant producer of gold and cotton in Africa, contributing to the region's wealth and growth. Lastly, Burkina Faso honors the legacy of former President Thomas Sankara. Sankara was a visionary leader known for his progressive policies and anti-imperialist stance. He is regarded as a symbol of African independence and self-determination. So, next time you think of Burkina Faso, remember these 5 validated points: its former name, its landlocked location, its ethnic diversity, its economic contributions, and the remarkable legacy of Thomas Sankara.